2018 Acura TLX SH-AWD Car 01. For the 2015 model year, Acura replaced the TL and its slow-selling TSX with the TLX, a ballsy move in that not only did one car have to do the work of two, it had to revitalize to Acura brand while competing in one of the most competitive and scrutinized automobile segments. Ultimately, while it hasn't set the world ablaze, it has done well for Acura, putting up solid numbers. This brings us to the 2018 TLX, refreshed and reflecting what Acura says is its new design direction. More to the point, the Tester is the new A-Spec variant, which amps up the sporty character of TLX and features exclusive design elements inside and out, along with key enhancements to chassis tuning and wheel, tire specification. That's painting with broad strokes, though, with more than a smattering of PR hyperbole thrown in. From an engine output point of view, the A-Spec is no different from the rest of the TLX lineup. That means a mild 206 horsepower, 2.4-liter four-cylinder for the front-wheel drive model, but a far more potent 290 horsepower, 3.5 liters V6 and a 9-speed automatic transmission are standard with the SH-AWD all-wheel drivetrain. Given that the Tester its lengthy trim designation is V6 SH-AWD Tech A-Spec weighs a fairly trim 1,742 kilograms, more ponies are superfluous. Acceleration is strong, particularly in the mid and higher ranges, the normally aspirated V6 making its power easily